Schticky in the track ahead of a few laps. Just vacuumed it, make sure the slots are all nice and clean. I like this Schticky, swear by it. It's like a Danos Direct purchase. It's like a washable lint dust picker-upper. But yeah, fantastic. Called the Schticky, but there's many varieties, variations around, but it's great for picking up the stuff that the vacuum didn't, and it doesn't do anything untoward to the track surface. But I'll show you at the end what it has picked up. I've already vacuumed this truck. Alright, the bank. I love the bank. Oh. There you go, Scotty's 24 scale DDA body, Ford. Going to give that a few test laps today. That's one of the ideas of getting the track up and running, but obviously F1 weekend in Melbourne, Victoria, so have to run some laps on F1 weekend, surely. All right, let's go. Let's take a look at that. Yikes. Look at all that rubbish on the edges, particularly when you get up to the edges of the track and you're picking up bits of stuff. Well worth the investment. Thanks for watching.